राजकीय पलायन संसदीय लोकशायेचे लोकांचो विश्वास हालोवंक लागला. सत्तेर रावप हो ताका रोकडो फायदो मेळूं येता, मात दीर्घ काळांतले लुकसाण धोक्याचे थारूं शकता. अपात्रताय याचिकेचेर निर्णय घेवपाक सभापती आपल्या कर्तव्यांक अपयशी थारला, अशें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमाव हांणी म्हळां. RDXGOA खातीर परवरच्यान संजय मुनाली.
Political defections are shaking the confidence of the parliamentary democracy. It may give immediate gains to us as MLAs to be in power, but the long-term losses could be dangerous. On this point, I wish to add that the authorities empowered under the anti-defection laws to decide on the malice of defections prefer to sit pretty cool. I am referring to the honorable speakers, the custodian of the house, who have miserably failed in their duties to cast upon them to decide on the disqualification petitions. All of us know that there is hardly any burden of litigation on the honorable speaker. It is definitely not a matter of pride or honor for any constitutional authority and the custodian of the apex democratic institution to play with these disqualification petitions at leisure and pleasure. Friends, I believe I have spoken enough. I am grateful to the Goa Legislators Forum for giving me this honor and the opportunity to share my mind. I hope you will appreciate my genuine fears and concerns. These concerns are not just of the political opposition. They need to be issues of each one of us.